discussing matters. Point of order, Mr. Chair. He's out of order. We're not discussing NTFL Kakir.
As part of the long-standing tradition and practice of the House of Representatives and Committee on Appropriations to extend parliamentary courtesy of the Office of the President
I object,
and
Mr.
recognition of
Chair.
his distinguished role and significance in government, I move that we terminate the budget hearing of the Office of the President.
Is there a second
I
to the
object,
motion?
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair,
Is
let
there
me
any
explain the
objection?
objection. I object, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Objection.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, I object dahil sabi po ng Presidente, all government agencies undergo the same process tuwing budget deliberations bilang sagot sa Office of the Vice President, Mr. Chair. So kung ganun, Mr. Chair, na ita-terminate natin ngayon yung deliberations, we are affirming ang pagiging brat ng Vice President. And in fact, Mr. Chair, pinapalabas natin na nagsisinungaling yung mismong Presidente by evading the process of Congress na mag-undergo ng scrutiny, Mr. Chair.
Take back your statement na nagsisinungaling yung Presidente.
No, Mr. Chair, that would depend on the decision of this committee. Kasi on record yun, Mr. Chair, sinabi yun ng Presidente, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
I move that we delete the statement nagsisinungaling ang Presidente. That's very unparliamentary. So move, Mr.
I did not say that, Mr. Chair. I said
Okay,
that
order
would
please,
depend
order.
on the actions of this
Order.
committee, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, but we have to delete that portion where you're insinuating that there will be pagsisinungaling if we follow tradition. No, because everything that is tackled in this committee and everything in the House is voted upon by the majority. So whatever the majority rules on does not mean that there is pagsisinungaling. It is just the will of the majority by which a democracy performs. Okay? So since you have an objection, we will now divide the House. All those... Yes.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, you're right.
Mr. Chair,
Paki-off sandali. Mr. Chairman, there are two pending motions. So we are tackling the first motion, just to be clear.
point of order, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, one motion at a time. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
The first motion is the motion of the Vice Chair, Congresswoman Ching Bernos, to extend the parliamentary courtesy and terminate the briefing of the budget of the Office of the President. All those in favor, please raise your hands. Please have a hand count.